Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support, and what I would definitely call the ideal level of support going forward, is going to be that pink line right there, the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, ideally speaking, you want to see it act as support. And on that note, so far so good. You can see on a couple of different occasions, the bears have tried to press down through there, but so far so good. Like I said, the bulls are doing a good job hanging on as support. And preferably speaking, if the bulls can continue to do that, that's going to be the biggest sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, am I saying the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that, but if the price can manage to stay above there, that would be a good sign for the bulls. Taking a step back, though, and the reason I'm not saying it's the end of the world if that pink line can't hurt or hold is because you have the overall level of support right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from more so a grand scheme of things perspective, and a very cut and dry way to look at kind of the health of the chart, if you will, is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as that purple line moves higher and higher, then the chart is in full health, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above that pink line, that would be best case, but taking a step back, looking at the big picture, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? First key area of resistance right up here at $1. Let's see, that's that former area of support. So yeah, $1.23. And then if the bulls can push through $1.23, next key level right up there at about $1.32. I realize, yeah, the price has gone above it, but in my mind, I think we can all agree that I'm looking for more points of kind of just general areas of congestion. There's quite a bit of congestion right up there around that area. But again, it's worthless to talk about $1.32 until the bulls can first prove themselves. And I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, prove themselves as getting up above, that level right there at $1.23. Anyway, slice it though, a lot of volume today, big price movement. So we'll see if the bulls can carry on this momentum into next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.